So there is one thing that makes subtractions easy. Let's say we are doing 46 minus 18. For 46 minus 18, one thing we can do is this: 46 minus 10 minus 8. You're going to have to break down this number you're subtracting into the tens and the ones. It's very important that you only do this to the number you're subtracting. Do not do this to the number you're subtracting from. Do not say 40 minus 6 minus 10 minus 8. This will not work because 40 minus 6 is not 46. The reason this would work is because minus 18 is the same thing as minus 10 minus 8. And the reason this would not work is because 40 minus 6 is not the same thing as 46. It is not the same thing. Like I said, the first thing you do is that you separate the number you're subtracting. This number here, you separate it into its tens and its ones. So you have 46 minus 10 minus 8. And this is way easier. As another example, you're having 59 minus 34. Once again, you're not going to break down 59 into 50 and 9 because 50 minus 9 is not 59. So you will not break down 59 into 50 minus 9. However, you will break down minus 34 into minus 30 and minus 4 because minus 30 and minus 4 is the same thing as minus 34. So this will become 59 minus 30 minus 4. Do you understand that? Now let's take it further. 46 minus 10. You're not subtracting the ones, you're subtracting the tens. Now, 4 tens minus 1 10 is 3 tens. The ones remain the same because you're not subtracting the ones. So 46 minus 10 becomes 36. Now you have 36 minus 8. It becomes easy. If you count backwards 6 times, you can break down minus 8 into minus 6 and minus 2 because minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. 36 minus 6 is 30. So this becomes 30 minus 2, and 30 minus 2 is 28. So this means 36 minus 8 is 28. Let's do the same thing here. 59 minus 30. Why don't we break it down into 59? We can break down minus 30 into minus 10 again, and minus 10 again. 59 minus 10 becomes 49. 49 minus 10 again becomes 39. And 39 minus 10 again becomes 29. So this becomes 29 minus 4. You're going to have to count backwards 4 steps from 29. And the answer is 25. I hope this makes some sense to you. Now let's do a bit of practice with this number, 91 minus 76. 91 minus 76. How do you do this? Well, once again, you write 91. Remember, you're not going to write 90 minus 1 because 90 minus 1 is not 91. Now here you're going to break this down into minus 70 and minus 6 because minus 70 and minus 6 is the same thing as minus 76. Now 91 minus 70, if you can't do it straight away, you can do 91 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 and minus 10. If you can do it straight away, you just do it straight away. 21. 91 minus 70 is 21. You're not subtracting the ones, you're subtracting the tens. 9 tens minus 7 tens is 2 tens. The 1 10 remains. 21 minus 6 is 21 minus 1 and minus 5. Minus 1 and minus 5 is minus 6. 21 minus 1 is 20. So this becomes 20 minus 5. And the answer to 20 minus 5 is 15. So the answer to this is 15.